I gotta hurry up, man. It's still sprinkling, but it ain't raining as hard. So, hey, you just have to go ahead and buckle down and get this walk in. You feel me? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do even in the rain. It's just like barely sprinkling. Let me hurry up. We did it, fam. We did it. Made it back before it started back raining heavy. It wasn't sprinkling bad, but raining bad, but it was, still sprinkling a little bit. But we got it in, man. Got that walk in, man. So now I'm about to get ready and do the smoothie. Let's get to it. What's happening? So as you see, it's still raining, man. Good thing I went on ahead and pushed that walk out before it started back raining, but now I'm heading to go pick up my daughter's Lisa and Lex from school. You already know your boy got his computer with him. We're gonna still grind, we still work. Like I said, I try to take advantage of all the time I get, man. So while I'm sitting in this line for the next 45 minutes or whatever, be getting some work done, man. Praying, just doing what we do, so let's get it. Come on, man, dang, go. Hate when the light be green and it daggone, it's like it take people daggone forever just to hit the gas pedal. Jesus is gonna come back before we get daggone past the light. Anyway, man, pick my girls up, drop them off at the crib, and now I just left them getting them something to eat. Lex and Net, they got crab boat, daggone $100-something on crab. Oh, premium miles. Lisa, she got hibachi. About to drop that off to them, then me and my queen, we gonna go and grab us some grub. So let's keep this day going.
Nothing but good reviews. I read a lot of reviews. Most of them were good. The only complaints I heard was people that didn't have reservations or something like that. They were mad.
Yeah, restaurants like this, you gotta make reservations.
But other than that, yeah.
Let's see.
Most people said everything was excellent.
I'm gonna see what that vegetable plate gonna get on though.
Right.